Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This particular video is for ticker symbol FCEL, what we know for fuel cell energy. This is a clean energy sector and hydrogen related power generation. We all know with the new government, like clean energy will get the priority, and we have seen the move for even EV, plug power, FCEL and other stocks. So this stock ran a lot. I think it was around $2-3, and then it came up to $25, and still I see the stock will go even higher. So I'm making the video pre-market so that I can show you the chance of moving even higher. So that will be a quick video. If you want to know more about this particular stock, please check my previous videos on fuellcell. With that, I will try to make it short because this is early morning. I do not want you to sit for 10 minutes for this particular video. Let's make it for 5 minutes anyway. So if you look at the action on the February 2nd, you can see that the stock came down significantly, then it shoot up huge, then it came down, and the whole day it tried to maintain a channel. Then again yesterday, what happened? The stock came up, and then end of the day it was within a channel. So that is one thing. The stock is going up, then it is holding that particular level, which is a bull sign, and even the pre-market the stock is up by 17 cents, and I think it can go even higher. Now let's look at the daily chart. So we can see how the stock is forming a bull flag triangle. So yesterday we tried to break out, but we came down, so we are currently within that channel. Now today what can happen, it can also like move around this area, then it can shoot up, or who knows, like it can just go from here and go all-time high, which is $25. So that is one thing. The other thing, the black line I have, I kept it here so that I can show you how the stock is moving. Like it will be a rough drawing here, maybe something like that. Anyway, so you can see that like when the price was 14, and after that the stock is going up. You can see the line, it bouncing off that particular line, going up. It can come down again today. It can bounce off that blue or black line, which is around $21. In case it come down, then it can bounce up. You can see like the stock moves a lot within a day. On a daily chart you can see the long wicks, so the stock can come back around $21, then it can bounce off, or if not, it can come even up to $20 if the market is red, or if anything is bad, the stock can come back to $20, and worst case $17-19, but I think it's not coming back. But anyway, if it comes here, you can also get some shares, or you can get some option. Now let's look at some other things, how the stock moves. So I'm gonna draw something. I'm gonna show you how the stock moves. So you see, I'm gonna change the color. So yeah, so you see how the stock goes up, comes down, consolidation, goes up, comes down, little bit of consolidation, again goes up, comes down, little bit of consolidation, goes up, comes down, little bit of consolidation, and the next move could be even higher. Correct? So this is how I'm seeing this particular stock moving going forward. So what can be my price target for this particular stock? So starting from here, you can see the stock ran up like 200%. Then the next time from the bottom it went up to 77%. Then from here the stock like moved around 70%. Then again the stock moves from here around 60%. So what can happen now, the next move, the stock can move from here, let's say around 70%, and we can go let me draw from the bottom, so around 60-70%, right? $32-33. So anyway, so for being conservative, let's say the stock can move up to $30, and we have already seen a high of $25. Currently we are sitting around $23, so still I can see there is another push towards $30. Again, one stock will not go higher each and every time. We already have seen a huge growth since November. The stock moved from $3 to $23, so sometimes the stock can come down, but I think it will go at least up to $25-30. And what's the price action today? As I showed you in the first graph, that is forming a bull black triangle, and it will go higher soon. So anyway, if you like this information, please do not forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in Twitter page, and also if you're interested using interactive broker, because their option purchase price is only $1, then just use the following link. And thank you very much. Take care, my friends. Peace.